Hello guys, this is how you copy and share your Threads profile. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and open up our Threads app. And once we get to the home page, we are going to click on the profile icon that is on the bottom right hand corner. Let's go ahead and click that. So you'll notice there that there's a share profile. So you can go ahead and just click that. It just makes things a little bit easier. And so you have the option of copying right there or sharing to a nearby device. Or you can just directly share your Threads profile to any of these other apps. So we're gonna go ahead and just copy that right there. And then you can go ahead and paste it to whatever place that you want to share it at, be it on your Facebook as a link or directly message it to someone. So it is that quick and it is that easy. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.